We're sat in an Audi A8 and we're going to perform a rear caliper open, rear caliper close and a pad thickness adaption using the SP Diagnostics tool. But first of all, we need to ensure that the ignition is on and the EPB is switched off. Now to manually do that, press the brake pedal and push the switch down. And now the car has no EPB on. We've connected up to the diagnostic socket, and now we've got to ensure the lights are on the appropriate settings. So what we need to do is to set the mode button, which is the two bottom lights here, to show both LEDs on, which it is now. That represents mode 1. On the back of the tool, you can see Audi A8 open is the two left-hand LEDs. So we need to press the select button to put the two left-hand ones on there. So we're ready to open the calipers. And you will hear the motors now relaxing. You will get park brake full on the dashboard. Okay, the motor's relaxed or opened. We just got to wait for the diagnostic procedure to finish. And wait till all the lights go solid. Okay, now we're going to close the calipers, assuming that we've replaced the brake pads mechanically. So we need to select the two right hand ones to correspond with the label on the back. Okay, A8 close, the two right hand ones, which it is. So now we press OK, and they will now electronically close. Again, wait for the lights to finish what they're doing. And you should have 5 lights on solid. But immediately after the close procedure, you've got to diagnostically set the pad thickness. So the two lower lights will start to flash. There we go, the two lower ones should flash now. There they go. Once they stop flashing, switch ignition off, then back on. I've accidentally started the car, but that shouldn't matter. We need to release the EPB because that's came on because we switched the ignition off and on. Now we need to put in the thickness by pressing the mode button 12 times. So do it precisely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Press OK to confirm, and it will flash back 12 times to confirm your input. There we go. If it doesn't flash out 12 times, and that was 10, you can press mode button the amount of times that you're short. So that was actually 10, not 12. So 1, 2, press OK. There we go. And now that we're happy with that, press OK to confirm. Switch the ignition off once the LEDs are finished at the end. There we go. Switch ignition off. Remove the key, and removing the key is an important part of the process. And now the calipers are doing a full calibration. They're doing a full basic setting. So they're going out and then back in again. That's it, complete. Full calibration test done. And now switch ignition on. Start the vehicle up. The battery's getting flat on this, but no more rear pad indicator light or warning. And that's it, done.